working all night for you. Nah, I'm working all night. I'm working all night. I'm working all night for you. Nah, I'm working all night. I'm working all night.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Michael out here with another video, and I'm working on that beautiful beast of a Jeep over there. But listen, okay, we're gonna have the Bumblebee rebuild back up and running. We had a bit of a hang up. We were needing a special tool. I mean, we sat in that garage for like 2 weekends straight, and now it's basically kind of stalled out because we don't have the tool we need. So we'll get that back on track. The tool is here as of today. This weekend, that engine should be coming out, so you should have footage. Until then, I have these. You probably can't see what that is. So, if you remember a while back, let me open this up. Let me set my tripod down. If you guys remember a little while back, I put in some lights in the Jeep under the dash. Okay? And these lights are great, and that's fine. But the downside of them is, okay, and you guys kind of see what I'm talking about, because anybody that saw the video is going to know what they look like. Ooh, why is it all bent like that? Don't do that. They look like this, right? These ones are a little bit bigger, though. They got more LEDs in them. I got the 72 LEDs this time. I wanted to go brighter, bigger, better. The thing is, those old lights I bought, and sorry about my camera being all over the place, and I just broke my tripod. There we go. Anyway, my old lights ran off of an app on my phone. That the problem is that it only wanted to work one time, and then I had to delete it, re-download it just to get it to work again. These have a remote, and that's why I'm upgrading. Not only do these have more LEDs, instead of 32 LEDs, they got 72. It also comes with a remote. So let's get to this install. Yee. Alright guys, we're back in the garage, and we got it done. Alright, I do apologize if this video is like a little off center. My tripod is crooked as hell, and I can't seem to get it straight. Got my hand in any light here. I'm gonna show you guys what's up. Try not to hit the key yet. Oh, let me turn that on. Alrighty, so you guys come down here. See this super clean wiring job. Tuck that up in there. As you can see, all these wires are back in there. You got this, which is taped to the side here. And then that's actually Velcroed, so you can pull it off and do all that. And then this is just my music control. That's like my sub control for my bass. Anyway, let me turn this on real quick. Turn that off. Purple. And it's 72 LEDs. I do apologize for the binging. 72 LEDs all the way around. Even the back seat's done right now. Unlike last time. They are sick. I'm so happy about it. These seats can free... Sorry guys, I had you guys so off center there. I don't know if y'all saw that, but y'all can see kind of the cleanness here. It's alright, I got a little bit carried away. Anyway, these seats can still move back and forth freely. All the way forward, all the way back. Nothing binds, nothing bunches. I'm sitting in this garage, fixing everything up. This thing can change color. Let me grab this remote. Again, it's Velcroed to the side. Show you a couple of different things. It doesn't have a very long range, so you do have to be kind of close to that control box. But for 20 bucks, I can't really argue with what I'm getting. As you can see, blue. Let's see, I can do red, green, blue, white. That's actually pretty sick, I'm not even gonna lie. Orange, yellow, what is that? Cayenne? Purple, that's probably where I'm gonna rock it a lot. Let's stick that back up on the mount. That's gonna be nice. Anyway guys, That is the new setup. This is sick. And also, let's not forget, it matches. Oh, hold on. Wrong one. Sorry, guys. I keep getting you guys off center. Let me get my camera straight. Okay. As you guys remember, it matches my dash lights. It matches my stereo. Of course, I can change the color of the stereo. It comes with that setting. But anyway, guys. Sorry about the terrible camera skills. I probably should have just taken the GoPro off the tripod. I'd do all this. Let me turn off these lights and turn the Jeep off because it probably don't need to be turned on for the rest of this video. But anyway, yeah, guys, that's kind of what I, just upgraded that whole system. Next up, as far as lights go, let me kind of tell you guys the plan. Obviously, you guys kind of know, like, I want to do, like, off-road bumpers, things like that, but that's a long ways away. I mean, we're talking, for most vehicles, we're talking $400 for a new bumper. For these Grand Cherokees, we're talking $600 to $700. They're really expensive for WJs in particular, but they're really expensive for Grand Cherokees all around, especially for WJs. They are some of the most expensive because not a lot of people make off-road bumpers for them. And so if I get an off-road bumper made, it's probably going to be custom made. Most of the ones I can buy offline are already $700, so I might as well spend $800 and get one made exactly how I want it, to the measurements I want. So that's going to be a time in the future when I have more money. I do not have that money right now, but I do have some more lights. I'm thinking I want to put on the roof rack, or I want to put right behind this light bar and kind of point them out at an angle both ways, if you know what I'm saying. So that way when I turn them on, the sides of the trail at night can be lit up. And then let me walk around everything here and kind of show you guys, the thought, as far as these go, these babies right here. Also, I am looking into other grills. I don't want to go completely non-chrome because I want to keep a little bit of chrome on the vehicle because not a lot of it's going to be there, especially after I debadge it and I put the newer Grand Cherokee badging on it. I think I'm going to upgrade to WK2 badging, and when I do that, it's going to be blacked out. So there's not going to be a lot of chrome left. I want to keep a little bit of chrome on the Jeep. If any of you guys have seen Project WJ, her name's Samantha. She has a beautiful Jeep. If you've seen her Instagram, go check it out. It's at Project WJ. She has a grill that I really like, and I really want to know where she got it from. It's chrome on the outside, and then on the inside, it's all blacked out. Like, I can kind of show you guys, but on mine, like, this whole spot around the outside is chrome. All these slots and everything are black. I really want that. I got to figure out where I can find one. So that's kind of the plan there. Until I can find the perfect grill, I'm not going to upgrade that. And then some people have said, like, do a billet grill, do this. Listen, I do not want to get rid of the 7-slotted Jeep grill. It'll still have 7 slots. It's a Jeep thing. I want to keep it that way. That grill is iconic. I'm going to keep it for a reason because I love Jeeps. These headlights, I still don't know if I'm going to do an LED swap eventually, but I don't know if I'm going to keep the stock housings, if I'm going to go blacked out, if I'm going to go black with like one amber strip, if I'm going to go black with amber reflectors, if I'm just going to go with some projector headlights, if I'm going to go with these Spider Auto ones that Vincent Vital, which any of you guys who are like big into WJs and Grand Cherokees, you'll probably know Vincent Vital, or Vitali, or however you say his name. He runs a bunch of Facebook groups and things like that. He is actually selling some WJ, what do you call it? Some WJ specific headlights that do have kind of an LED projector idea to them. They are not currently for sale yet, but I might get those. They're $280 for the set. And I mean, it is kind of plug and play. So I could do an LED swap on these and then switch to those later, because basically your ambers become an LED strip. Instead of having your amber light, you just take that out and it plugs in. Your normal harness plugs into the new lights, and it's just an LED strip. It's pretty sick. But anyway, guys, that's kind of where I'm at right now. As far as taillights, I think for now I'm going to keep these. I like the way they look, but I might change it in the future. I don't know yet. I do have an American flag overlay coming for this back window. I wanted to get that. On this side, I hope to have a Grand Crew sticker along with a Life is Better Off-Road sticker. I just added this 4-wheel parts, don't tread on me sticker. So yeah, that's kind of the plans for this Jeep after this. But for now, you guys get to see this beautiful update and upgrade to my interior lights. Going from, a 32 LED setup that wasn't very efficient, wasn't very trustworthy, wasn't very reliable, to a 72 LED setup that is much better, much more reliable, and I feel like I'm going to enjoy a lot more. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social medias down below in the description. And until next time, guys, this is your boy Michael signing out. Peace.
We are the